In this video, we're going to take a look at TiDB Playground. So it begins with the curl command, and we'll issue that. And this is just to show setting up the software, basically to get to that TiUP Playground. So let's type TiUP Playground, and then watch what happens. So TiUP is checking for updates, and shouldn't take many because we just installed this via the curl command. You can see it's starting PD instances, TiKV instances, TiDB instances, and the message waiting for TiDB instances ready is interesting because it's 127.0.0.1, which means localhost. So the question that we get most often is, can I use this playground? Excuse me. Can I use this playground for production work? And when you start seeing 127.0.0.1 or localhost, you really should understand that no, this is not for production work. Okay, at this point it's up and running. We can see a connection string that we could use to connect from a client to this TiDB instance. We can also see some URLs of the management consoles. So let's go ahead and hit Control-C to stop it, and you'll see that it starts coming down pretty quickly. And then there's some pieces of it that are a little slower to come down because it has to make sure things are copacetic. So we're waiting for some things to quit, and there we are. We're back at our prompt. The key takeaway here is that TiDB Playground is not meant for production or work that has to be permanent, so don't rely on it. Use it for learning and experimentation only. Thank you for watching the video, and please take time to subscribe to the YouTube channel. It would help us a lot.